Hello, and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll explain risk indicators in the Activity Center and their role in identifying areas that require attention. Risk indicators appear in the far left column beside projects and activities when something is not complete on time and/or exceeds financials such as cost, budget, labor, or expenses. A single red dot will indicate that a project or activity currently requires attention at one or more fields, whereas a yellow dot, on the other hand, indicates a warning that a task is at risk of being in trouble. So in this example, it shows up at the budget variance because it is currently exceeding the estimated cost. Hovering your cursor over an indicator will prompt a dialog box containing details of the areas that require attention and the ability to take action on. For example, the end date on this task indicates that this task is past due. Additionally, it shows the CPI over here. A numbered box will appear at the project level if there are multiple items at risk that require attention. Expanding the project will break down where the risk indicators are at each activity level. Note, if you require the application to notify you on certain risk indicators, the respective fields must be enabled in the current view for risk indicators to appear. You have the option to leverage snooze indicators by clicking on the actual indicators. Users can access the preset snooze periods, such as 4 hours, until tomorrow, which is 24 hours, snooze it forever, or access a custom menu to change the date. The red dot becomes a gray dot to represent that a risk indicator has been snoozed. You also have the option to cancel the snooze. Snoozing the parent or numbered indicator is a bulk action that will snooze all child tasks that are associated under this. As you can see here, the snooze applied to all of these indicators. Another note is that the snooze will only apply to your particular view and not other users. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use Birdview and Easy Projects. Thank you and have a great day.